Today we are going to learn how to create and set up our color wheel. So the first thing you want to do is you want to take your color wheel and you want to identify your three primary colors. Those are yellow, red, and blue. Remember that when you think of primary colors to think of the word pure because they are the first colors, first level, and they cannot be made or created from any other color. The next level would be your secondary colors. These are orange, green, and violet, also known as purple. These three colors are made from combining two primary colors. Notice that they meet, that if you take the two primary colors and you meet in the center, you will get the secondary color. This is how the color wheel works. The color wheel serves as a guide to help us understand how colors are made and mixed. So yellow and red will make orange, yellow and blue will make green, blue and red will make violet or purple. The tertiary colors are colors that are created when a primary and a secondary color are combined. So notice how the tertiary colors are in between the primary and the secondary colors. So you have three primary colors, three secondary colors, and then you have six tertiary colors. This gives us 12 colors on our color wheel. Please also notice that the tertiary colors are identified using the primary color name first and the secondary color name second. So give a little respect to our primary color because it came first, therefore use the name first. So in between the orange and the red would be red-orange. In between the yellow and the orange would be yellow-orange, and so on. Now it's time to set up your color wheel for your stained glass project. You have a 14 by 14 inch square piece of paper. You are going to use your ruler, measure 7 inches in 2 or 3 places. Please do not fold your paper in half because this creates a crease in your artwork and we never want to fold our artwork. Next you're going to turn the paper and you're going to do it on the other side. This will give us 4 boxes. Once you have 4 boxes on your paper, you're going to take your ruler and just trying to make your sections as even as possible, create 3 sections in each area. I'm not overly concerned that the area is exactly even because remember, it is going to be hidden underneath our stained glass window. But you want to make sure that you have 12 sections. After all 12 sections are drawn out, you're going to take your color wheel and very lightly on the edge, you're going to just write in your colors. This will help us to remember and identify which colors should go next. Not blue, blue. Blue, green. Blue. Blue, violet. Yellow, orange. Okay, and so on. When it comes time to coloring in, actually I need red, orange, and red. When it comes time to coloring in your artwork, you want to use your color pencil and create a nice, even, flat value. The value is the lightness or darkness of the color, or hue. So I'm going to start by very softly filling in my red color. Very lightly. I'm not pressing hard at all, and I'm working in small sections. Next, I'm going to turn my paper and I'm going to crosshatch in the opposite direction. This will create a deeper value or a darker value of my red. I'm going to keep layering in an area until all of the white paper from underneath is gone. Notice I'm not pressing so hard that my color becomes waxy. Instead, I'm making sure to constantly turn my color pencil and fill the area. Work in small sections because this will help you to control the material. Remember that controlling the material is key when using color pencil or any art material for that matter. The more you take your time, the more you control your material, the better your result will be. Like that. When it's time to mix and blend your colors, such as this yellow-orange section, remember that this will be altered depending on the type of color pencil that you're using. So for this particular project, we're using Crayola. If we were to use a better quality color pencil, our colors may mix and blend easier, and we may get some richer, more vibrant colors. But for now and for this exercise and project, the Crayola will work just fine. Always start with your lightest color. Never press hard because you don't want to oversaturate or put too much material down on your paper to start. So I'm going to start with a nice light layer of my yellow. Once that's done, I'm going to take my orange and I'm going to, once again, create a nice light layer of my orange over the yellow color pencil. Remember, you can move your pencil in opposite directions to obtain better coverage. Layering is key when working with any kind of pencil. You never want to press hard to achieve a darker result. Instead, you want to slowly layer and build your colors. When I'm done with my orange, I can layer yellow right back over it and use the yellow color, the lighter of the two, to blend and mix my two color pencils. Depending on which color I'm trying to make, now for example, this is an orange yellow, a yellow orange. I want my color to look slightly more yellow than orange. So I may do 3 layers of yellow and 1 layer of orange. I'm going to keep going over, keep mixing until I achieve the results I'm looking for. I'm going to switch between the two colors until I get a nice even value. And there you have it, a nice yellow-orange. All right, so this has been your introduction to creating a color wheel. Good luck.